Okay, we fixtured the battery, and I'll show you some of the components here. You can see that we fixtured the battery in here. This is the way it goes. We got the positive on the port side, which is the left hand side facing forward. We got the main power, and then we've got our power lead to our emergency jump starter battery, the anti-gravity battery, and then we've got this lead here which goes to the primary, which goes to the splitter, which then splits off and goes to another splitter. And so the power goes from the battery to this splitter. It can go to this here, which then splits and goes to the USB here, or we can have the charger input over here. And then down over here, this one here goes to my bilge pump, the bilge pump in the back. So the power goes from here to here, and it splits, and it can go here back to the bilge pump, or it can go up here and then to another splitter, and it goes here up to the front locker where I have a supplemental USB power source, and it also goes to another dongle down here, which is where you can hook in your charger input. Now, some things about this battery when you install it that I've learned from some of the other pros that have posted on the forums is that this strap is a real bear to get fixtured onto the connectors that are at the bottom sides of the battery. And what you do is you don't try to put it on straight like this. You put it on cockeyed around the back, and you hook it to that connector over there and this connector over there, and then you pull up on it to get it up and over the battery. And I'll see if I can show you how to do that. And to take it off, you do the same thing. You just move it off to the side, and it goes down like that, and then you can lift the battery out. If you try to do it the other way by going over the top here and coming down, it's very difficult to do, but this is a lot easier way. You fixture it like that, and then you pull up on it like that, and it locks in place. And then what you do is you take your driver and you tighten them up. You want to tighten these with a nut driver, a socket wrench like this, not a screwdriver, because with a screwdriver you can't get enough torque. And that's the way it is. GoPro, stop recording.